Okay guys, today I've got a Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set. Real quick, I'm just going to show you that everything on it works great, that there's no issues with it whatsoever. As if you were standing here in front of it yourself, going to give it a good test. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Got it hooked up, got the water running in. So you can see the water comes in just fine. It's nice and clean. This washer's in like new condition. And it runs like new as well, so close that up. We'll just go over here and allow it to drain. Yeah, let's see right there. You can hear the drain works good. Then we'll give it a second to speed up on the spin cycle. Now when I open this, it's going to shut down the spin cycle and it'll come to a stop, but you're not really supposed to do that. But I like to show it for testing purposes. That way you know it's spinning nice and fast and it's nice smooth operation as well. Also that safety lid switch works. Okay, and it's up to full speed. Spinning nice and fast. You can see it's nice and smooth. Go ahead and open this up. It's got a nice stop, good brakes, all that. Lid switch works. That's pretty much it for the washer. So I've already ran a couple of clothes through here, through each of the cycles. But I'll let it go ahead and just finish spinning out, get all the water out of there before someone comes and picks it up. So we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, now we're on to the Whirlpool electric dryer. Tons of options here. You want to do your delicates, your sheets, or the really heavy jeans towels. It's going to be able to handle all of that. It's got super capacity plus, just like the washer. So nice huge capacity on that. So we'll go ahead and just kick it over, time dry. We're going to hit start. You can hear it's nice, smooth, sounds great, no weird noises or anything like that. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. A little temperature gun will tell you the temperature or whatever you shine that little red dot on. So go ahead and open this up. Our heating element tube, we'll just shoot it right in there. Show you plenty of heat coming out of that tube. And then that in turn heats the inside of the dryer. Get a better shot of that there. That'll heat the inside of the dryer anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195, just depends on what you have these settings up here set as. So there you have it. Now you know the washer and the dryer both work. They work great as if you're standing here in front of it yourself, testing it out. That's how I like to buy stuff, so that's how I like to sell stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thanks.